Next subject, Kowalski, Leon. Engineer Waste Disposal. File section, new employee. 6 days. Calling Mr. Weber.
Come in.
Please report to Zone A, Sector 9. Replication sector, level 9. We have a B1 security alert. Stand by for ID.
Sit down.
Replication sector, level 9. We have a B1 security alert. Stand
Okay if I talk? I'm kind of nervous when I take tests. Just please don't move. Oh, sorry. I already had an IQ test this year. I don't think I've ever had reaction time is a factor in this, so please pay attention. Now answer as quickly as you can.
Calling Mr. Jones. Please
Sure.
report to Zone C, Sector 4.
1187 at Huntervisor. That's the hotel. What? Where I live. Nice place? Yeah, sure, I guess. Is that part of the test? No. Just warming you up, that's all. It's not fancy or anything.
Replication sector, level 9.
You're in a desert, walking along in the sand when all of a sudden... Is this the test now? Yes. You're in a desert, walking along in the sand when all of a sudden you look down... What? What desert? Doesn't make any difference what desert, it's completely hypothetical. But how come I'd be there? Maybe you're fed up. Maybe you want to be by yourself. Who knows? You look down and you see a tortoise, Leon. It's crawling towards you. Tortoise? What's that?
Calling Mr. Jones. Please report to Zone A.
You know what a turtle is? Of course. Same thing. Never seen a turtle. But I understand what you mean. You reach down and you flip the tortoise over on its back, Leon. Do you make up these questions, Mr. Holden? Or are they written down for you? The tortoise lays on its back, its belly baking in the hot sun, beating its legs trying to turn itself over, but it can't. Not without your help. But you're not helping. What do you mean I'm not helping? I mean you're not helping. Why is that, Leon? They're just questions, Leon. In answer to your query, they're written down for me. It's a test designed to provoke an emotional response. Shall we continue? Describe in single words only the good things that come into your mind. About your mother? My mother? Yeah. Let me tell you about my mother.
A new life awaits you in the off-world colonies.